Hey there, it's April Yes Next here with my mom, Aiko.
Hi.
Now today we have a fun little workout. We're going to do a line dance inspired workout, Mom. Ready?
Watch out.
Got your dancing shoes on?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, so yeah, we're going to do 3 different line dances, but they're inspired by the original. So Cupid Shuffle,
Okay.
the Wobble,
Uh-oh.
and the Jerusalema.
Oh, my goodness.
So we're doing the Yes to Next take on it. All right. All right. So we're going to start with a quick warm up, and you don't need any equipment for this workout. Just make sure that you clear the area. And you can see that Mochi is kind of going crazy today. He's in a crazy cat mood, so he might be running around through the video. But anyway, maybe he'll dance with us.
Maybe that's what he's doing. He's warming up.
Yes. All right. So
He's doing the cat shuffle.
yes, you may want to get some water. Just have it handy, and we'll start with a little warm up after this break. So we'll take a little break here, and we'll see you on the other side. Okay, we're just going to start by marching in place. All right. Okay, so just keep it going. Remember, I always want you to have great posture,
Right.
ears, shoulders, hips
Right.
in alignment. Okay, the little string above your head.
Yeah, pull that string.
Mm-hmm. All right, keep it marching. All right. So we're going to line dance today, but we'll be doing a little bit of a walk on this one. You know,
I
so
think that's good.
yeah, and then you have Mochi running around here. All right. Okay, let's just do some side steps this way. Okay, here we go. Side step it. Good. Just warm it up a little bit. Very nice. Okay. You went to a lot of dances when you were a kid, right, Mom?
Oh, yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah, we did a lot of dancing.
What did you do every week?
We didn't do line dancing.
Yeah.
No.
No? No line dancing?
No line dancing. We did what? Cha-cha
Oh, cha-cha, yeah.
and stroll.
Oh, stroll.
Jitterbug.
Jitterbug.
Yeah, we didn't do it.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Very cool.
The line dancing's fun, though. I've seen it on TV.
Oh, yeah. You know, you do it at weddings for
Yeah.
one thing, and then
It involves
even-
everybody.
Yeah, it's super fun, super fun. All right, let's march it in place. Okay. Okay, good work. Okay, so our first line dance inspired move is the Cupid Shuffle, Mom.
Okay.
Basically taking 4 steps this way, 4 steps this way, and then some heel touches, and
All right.
that's it. So it looks like this. So it's 1 step, 1 step, 1 step, 1 step, and then 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then it's heel touch, heel touch, heel touch, heel touch, and then we just march it out for 8. 2, 3, 4. Okay.
Yep.
Okay. So let's give this a try.
All right.
All right. So you might want to move over this way. So we're going 4
Yeah,
that way.
sounds
So
good.
ready?
Okay.
2, 3, and go. So step, touch, 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 heel touch, heel touch, heel touch, heel touch. March it out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There you go.
That was
How
good.
was that?
Very simple. I like it. Those are my kind of moves.
That's right. So
Not too complicated.
So good work. All right. So we're going to try that again. Again, 4 steps this way, 4 steps this way, 4 heel touches and march in place.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
So 4, 3, 2, and 1. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and touch. So heel touch, heel touch, heel touch, heel touch, and march it out.
Okay.
2, 3, and 4. How's that?
That's simple. I like that. Very simple.
We're pretty much all these moves are going to be simple, and they were kind of fun.
Okay.
All right. So you want to try it one more time? It's
Yeah.
kind of a fun thing. So we're going 4 that way. Here we go. 4, 3, 2, and 1. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and touch. 2, 3, 4, and touch. Give me those heels. Heels. Heels and heels. March it out. 2, 3, and 4. Good work. All right. Seems like you want to try that one more time, I think. Huh? You want to try it one more time?
Sure.
All right. So let's get we learned this move. So go 4. So 4, 3, 2, and 1. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and touch. 1, 2. Good. 3, 4, and touch, and heel touch, heel touch, heel touch, heel touch. March it out. 2, 3, and 4. Good work.
All right.
All right. That
Good
was
job.
Cupid Shuffle, everybody. Good work. All right. So our next move
Yeah.
is the wobble.
Uh-oh.
You're like, what is that?
Yeah.
Actually, it's a hip hop move, dance move. But we're going to do our yes to next take on it.
I think that's good.
Okay, so it looks like this. I'll demonstrate. So
Right.
it's step forward, 2, 3, 4, step back, 2, 3, 4, arms, 2, 3, 4, and arms, 2, 3, 4, and right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, and march it out. 2,
A little
3,
bit more
4.
complicated here.
Yeah, well, you're ready for it, right?
I think
That-
so, yeah.
That last move is like a cha-cha move, right?
Oh,
It's
right.
a right, left, right, left, right,
Right.
and left, right, left, right, left, okay?
All right.
Okay, let's give it a shot. We'll go really slow
Okay.
for the first move, okay?
Mhm.
So we're stepping it forward and stepping it back. Forward,
Okay.
okay? So step it forward, 2, 3, 4, step it back, 2, 3, 4. Give me arms to the right, 2, 3, 4. Give me arms to the left, 2, 3, 4, and right, left, right, left, right, and left, right, left. March it out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, that's pretty well. That's good. It's the first time you did it. It's all right.
All right.
Okay, so we're gonna just we'll do that slow again.
Okay.
So here we go. We're gonna step it forward. 2, 3, 4. Step it back. 2, 3, 4. Give me those arms. 2, 3, 4. Give me those arms. 2, 3, 4. Cha-cha. Right, left, right, and left, right, left. March it out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good work.
Okay.
Okay, need one more practice round on that one?
Yeah.
Okay,
I might
remember,
need
it's
quite a
step it
few.
forward, step it back, arms right and left, and then that little cha-cha move. Okay,
Okay.
all right, here we go. You're gonna be like ready for weddings this summer, learning this dance move. Okay, so here we go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Step it forward. 2, 3, 4. Step it back. 2, 3, 4. Give me arms. 2, 3, 4. Arms. 2, 3, 4. Cha-cha. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. March it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good work. Okay, I think we're gonna do that again.
I think so.
All right, we're gonna like refine this move.
Okay.
Okay, so everybody's breathing, right?
Yep.
Okay.
I hope
Make sure-
so.
Don't stop breathing.
Don't stop breathing.
Got to get the oxygen to your muscles. Okay. So remember, step forward, step back.
Okay.
Okay. Step forward, step back. Arms, cha-cha. Okay.
Okay.
Right, here we go. So step it forward. 2, 3, 4. Step it back. 2, 3, 4. Give me arms. 2, 3, 4. Give me arms. 2, 3, 4. Cha-cha. Right, left, and left, left. March it out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Keep it marching. So what do you think?
Oh, getting easier. If I
Getting
can just
easier?
remember.
All right. Okay. Do you want to try it one more time?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay. I feel like you want to master it.
Well, yeah.
Hmm?
I want everyone to master it.
Good work. Stay with it, everyone. It's all about practice, right? And you know what we're doing here is we're working on our coordination
Right.
and our brain muscle connection here.
Balance, everything.
Balance, absolutely. Okay.
Okay.
So, okay, remember, step forward, step back.
Okay.
Okay. Arms, cha-cha.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. Step it forward. 2, 3, 4. Step it back. 2, 3, 4. Give me arms. 2, 3, 4. Give me arms. 2, 3, 4. Cha-cha. Right, left, and left, left. March it out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good work.
All right.
You got it. You mastered it.
You got it.
All right, so we're ready to move on to the next one.
All right.
Okay, so here we go. This is called the Jerusalema. One of our friends said, hey, can you do a Jerusalema inspired?
Really?
Yeah, so yeah, I was like, oh yeah, sure,
To
we can
meet
do
this
this.
person.
Yeah, again, we're doing our take on it. So it looks like this. So let me demonstrate. I'll do it real slow. So it's
All right.
4 taps at the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And you got to switch it a little fast. 1
Wow.
and 2 and 3
Wow.
and 4. March it out for 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay,
Uh-huh.
and then we're gonna do step, step, touch, step, 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 and touch. Okay.
Okay.
All right, so it looks like that. So let's give it a shot,
All right.
okay? I'm going to try to stagger a little bit here so you can follow me.
That's a good idea.
Okay. So it looks like we're going to take it real slow for the first time.
Okay.
So it's 4 taps. So give me 4 taps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you got to go switch and switch and switch. Switch. March it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we're going to go step, 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 touch, step, 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 and touch. March it out. 3, 4, 5, 6.
So we're using
7,
our leg
8.
muscles on that?
Oh, we are. Yes, with all these moves, using your leg muscles for sure. Okay. Everything goes, your feet, you know, all the way. But you're engaging your core as well.
Yeah.
But you gotta hold yourself upright. Okay. So lower body and core, we're working out your muscles with this workout. Okay, so let's try that practice again. So it's 4 taps, 2, 3, 4. Switch it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we're gonna switch and switch. Switch and switch. March it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Step, 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 and touch. Step, 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 and touch. March it out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
All right.
How'd that feel?
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right.
That was pretty good.
Okay, so let's try it again. We're gonna do those 4 taps to the front. Okay?
Okay.
So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and switch and switch and switch and switch and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Step, 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 and touch. Step, 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 and touch. March it out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
All right,
Very
folks,
good.
we're line dancing.
You're line dancing. You did the
and
Jerusalema.
get exercise. Get
Yeah,
exercise.
absolutely. And having fun, right?
Yep, having fun.
Okay, let's try that again.
All
So
right.
here we go. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch and switch and switch and switch. March it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Step, 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 and touch. Step, 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 and touch. March it out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. All right. Keep it marching, everybody. Breathe.
Keep breathing.
Okay, we're gonna try that again.
All right.
So 4, 3, 2, and 1. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and switch and switch and switch and switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Step, 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 and touch. Step, 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 and touch. March it out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good work,
All right.
everyone.
All right.
All
Good
right.
job.
Well, listen. Now you're ready for line dancing. You got the beginner version. You got the Yes Next version.
Right.
And you're ready for weddings.
Right.
And you know, if you go into a restaurant where they're dancing and stuff, you're gonna be all set.
We'll be doing our Yes to Next version.
That's right. That's right. But it's you got the basic moves, and you can start to embellish things as you get better with the moves.
Okay.
All right. So anyway, so good work on this. Let's just cool it down a little bit. Let's go breathe up and down.
That's a
And
workout.
down. Yeah. Well, it's constant movement, right?
Yeah.
So good work. And down.
Good job, folks.
And one more.
Keep dancing.
And down. And let's just stretch our legs out just a little bit. So bend one knee, straighten the other. Reach for the toe. Straighten that leg out. Good. All right. This is the other side. Bend one other knee. Straighten the other leg. And bend. All right. Good work. Good job. All right. All right. Nice work, everyone. Thank you for joining us. If you like this video, please give us a like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate you spending time with us. We look forward to seeing you in a future video. And in the meantime, keep moving.
See you soon.